EBSP or Event-Based Service Provider is a calendar-based mashup. Now, why do we need to mash up applications on top of a calendar? Well, our daily lives involve planning and organization for various tasks, be it at home, work, or anywhere outside, and a calendar is a useful tool to organize your activities in a better way. Now, while we carry out these activities, we also search for information and use different websites or applications by going to each one of them separately. Wouldn't it be interesting for a calendar to know what type of event you have and recommend you services based on that? What if you could have a collection of all that useful information and services in the form of ready-to-use gadgets and widgets right on your calendar? Here comes EBSP. EBSP recommends you gadgets and widgets based on your calendar event. It uses Google Calendar to mash up gadgets from the iGoogle directory. Let's see how it works. Now, if you've never used Google Calendar before, you probably have to go and activate it. Just go to your Gmail and click on Calendar. Given the settings, continue, and here you'll be shown your Google Calendar, which is now activated. Go back to the system EBSP demo. Now go to Calendar Dashboard, log in, and grant access. You will be shown your Google Calendar, which will be a dashboard for you to aggregate iGoogle gadgets, as we shall later see. Let's take an example event. Suppose you're planning a vacation to Venice. You click on Add Event. You will be asked to enter the details of your event. Put any title or name for your event. In the event type, you select one from the categories provided. Set a date. If time is important for your event, you can set the start time and the end time. As in the case of a meeting, you can enter the place. Now click Find Gadgets for your event. The system will automatically recommend you gadgets that are based on traveling. On the left-hand side, you can browse gadgets according to category, like travel guidance, booking hotels, flights, budget, weather, organization, etc. I would like to keep the weather gadget. You can add it. You can choose other gadgets like booking hotel. So here's a gadget, Trivago Hotel Checker. You can add it. Let's go to travel guidance. There is a travel guide and a route planner gadget. I would add the route planner. And go to Calendar Dashboard. You will see that the event Trip to Venice has been created in your calendar. Additionally, you will find these icons on top of your event. They are not just icons, but they are the gadgets which you have just mashed up into this calendar by just a simple click of a button. Let's try using a gadget. We would like to go to Venice from Paris. The gadget allows us to compute route between the two cities. Let's see how it works. In a new window, a map is opened which shows you the route from Paris to Venice. On the left-hand side, you see the total distance between the two cities and the duration. It also gives you the estimated arrival time. Zoom on your destination. If you click on this yellow bar here, you can see on the map several things like restaurants, shopping centers, casinos, etc. Now you can see several restaurants on this area. You can click on one and it says 3 hits in this area and gives the names of the restaurants. You can search in the vicinity for cinemas. So here it shows several cinema centers near to the restaurant. Some other examples of events are given now. For a team meeting, one can require communication services with team members like email, instant messaging and voice. Other handy tools like calculator and document to PDF converters may also be useful. For documentation, the Google Docs gadget will help you share and work on project documents collaboratively. If you're going to a new place for the meeting, you can click on the event and then click on Map to show where the place is. If you have a French language class and you would like some help with your homework, you would probably want to use the dictionary.com tool or the Wiktionary, which is a dictionary having more than 350 languages. Perhaps you would like to learn new words or take some audio lessons. You would probably find the Translate tool and the text-to-speech converter very useful as well. If you have an event like party or cooking, you can try gadgets to find recipes or get some cooking recommendations. or use the YouTube gadget to find recipes or play music and videos right from your calendar. To edit your event, add reminders and share, go to More Details. You'll see the options for editing the event, deleting, and adding reminders. To share your events and gadgets, you need to share your calendar by going to Settings, Shared Edit Settings, and adding email addresses of the people. If you want to add your friend's calendar, you can do it here. Now the event and the gadgets can be used by all shared parties. This video showed you how to use the EPSP system to easily mash up useful gadgets in your calendar and share your events and gadgets with others to have a collaborative organization of your day-to-day work.